Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to fix Windows Update errors on your Windows 11 or even Windows 10 computer. We'll walk through a simple, step-by-step process to resolve the issue effectively. Right-click on the Start icon and select Run from the menu. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc, then press Enter or click OK. This will open the services window. You can maximize it for easier viewing. Now, select any service in the list and press the W key on your keyboard to quickly jump to services starting with W. Scroll down and locate Windows Update in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type from manual to automatic delayed start. This option works best in most cases. Click Stop and then click Start to run the service. Then Apply and click OK. Once the service status is set to running, you're all set with this step. This ensures that the Windows Update service is active and ready. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is to clean up the software distribution folder. This is where Windows temporarily stores update files. Once updates are installed, these files are usually no longer needed and can be safely removed. To do this, open the File Explorer by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once File Explorer is open, navigate to your This PC, then Local Disk C drive, then go into the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, look for a directory named Software Distribution. Double-click to open it. You'll see a list of files and folders inside. Select all the files or press Ctrl+A to select everything, then press Delete button to delete all the files. This will clear the temporary Windows Update files. Next, let's repair any potentially corrupted system files using the System File Checker. Click on the search icon again, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. This will open a command prompt window. Here, type SFC /scannow. Make sure there's a space after SFC, then press Enter. The System File Checker will now scan your system for any corrupted or missing files and attempt to repair them automatically. This process may take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC. After restarting, open the search again and type Windows Update, then click on Check for updates. Try updating your system again. This process should help resolve most common Windows Update errors. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the Windows Update error on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and effective tech solutions. Also, if you have any questions or want to share what worked for you, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.